Hello everyone, my name is Shramika. I have been brought up in this beautiful township called Neyveli. A few weeks back, I got this amazing chance to visit our lignite mines, and my mind was blown away by the bioreclamation process done by our very own engineers. So, this video is dedicated to all of that. I hope you enjoy.
When we think about mines, what are the first things that come to our minds? Lots of soil, lots of humans wearing helmets, big machines digging through Mother Earth in order to find something of value for humans. Did you ever picture mines having greenery, fresh crops cultivated on the same land as there was mines? No, right? Even I never imagined a mines to be green on one side and black on the other. We are going to see this wonderland now. Before any mining project is begun, a commitment is given to the Ministry of Environment and Forest (MOEF) that the land will go through bioreclamation after mining is complete. What is bioreclamation, you ask? This is the process of spreading topsoil, growing trees, grasslands, cultivation activities, etc. In simple words, once the mining activities are complete, the mining engineer hands over the land to civil engineer and agriculture experts, whose responsibility is to bring back the land to its original conditions, as if mining activities did not take place there at all. We are going to see how NLCIL is implementing this bioreclamation process in their mines through various types of cultivation. Well before cultivation, the land is prepared for it. Bunds are made, the fertilizer and water tanks are laid down. Lot of effort is spent on leveling the field before sowing in the seeds of a crop. The first type of cultivation we see is the drip irrigation, where almost 70% of water is saved by supplying water to the roots of the plant in the form of drips instead of pouring it openly on the surface. The next type of cultivation makes use of drip irrigation as well as mulching sheets. Mulching sheets are these grey sheets you see on the screen. These sheets help in reducing evaporation of water and retaining the moisture. They help in avoiding soil erosion as well. Water does not seep through to the other areas, thus it helps in avoiding growth of weeds. Weeds are those unwanted plants that grow along with the main plants. Since there is no growth of weeds, the labor requirement also reduces. So 3-in-1 benefits: lesser water, lesser weeds, lesser labor. How cool is that? This concept of mulching sheets and drip irrigation is inspired by innovative technologies of Israel. Now we hop on to the next type of cultivation, which is slightly more advanced. It is called polyhouse. What you see are 4 polyhouses and each of them dedicated to a type of crop. Before we see what those are, let's talk more about polyhouses. Generally, when a plant is grown, there are a lot of external factors affecting it, like pests, insects, atmospheric conditions. Polyhouse ensures that all these factors are controlled and the plants grow in protected atmosphere. Here, the temperature is controlled by fogging, that is sprinkling of water through small machines. And since there is very less intervention from insects and pests, we don't need to use insecticides and pesticides on the plants as is done commercially. This makes the harvest very human friendly. We have 4 polyhouses here. One grows capsicum and another grows cucumber. I had no idea that cucumber plants look something like these. It's beautiful, isn't it? There goes a good amount of science and maths behind this cultivation. Each small plant requires 22.5 cm of distance. This ensures that each plant gathers enough strength from the surrounding soil and grows well. This concept is learned from Center of Excellence for Vegetables in Dindigul. So you find a distance of 45 centimeters between the plants and a distance of 60 centimeters across each lane. The black pipe you see here carries the water and the fertilizer required for the crop to grow. This pipe is called lateral. It is made up of high density polyethylene. This material is super strong, flexible and has a very long life since it does not get rusted. The next type of cultivation in the nearby polyhouse is going to be hydroponics. This is the type of horticulture which is a method of growing plants without soil by using mineral nutrients in water. Within a year, we will see strawberries growing in one of these polyhouses. We should definitely visit to witness this wonder. An idea for the future is that these polyhouses will be open to all of us and we can come and pluck our own fruits and veggies and buy them. We could even get together with our friends and have some fun here in this cute little cafeteria that is made up of bamboo, coconut leaves and cow dung. Totally nature friendly. There are a lot of vegetables being grown here in mines like green chilies, brinjal, lady's finger, tomato, capsicum, beans, snake gourd, bitter gourd, and there are also so many paddy fields here right in the heart of mines. Who would have thought? I hope this gave you all a good tour and a comprehensive idea about how bioreclamation is done in our mines. We humans are the biggest exploiters of the nature, so it is our duty to restore back nature as well. And NLCIL is doing a great job at that. Kudos to our engineers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. We'll meet again next week. Until then, happy learning and bye.